All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I have completed arithmetic from Quants. Not completely. The topic test is pending from time, speed, and distance, and a couple of few, I guess, 10 to 15 questions from the practice test is pending, which I will complete by now or maybe tomorrow. And by moving forward, we'll do complete the basics of arithmetic quite fast, and do the important topics which related to the exam, from algebra and geometry, and a couple of topics from number system and modern math, which has high probability of coming in the exams, and finish up the syllabus within in the coming 40 to 50 days max. I guess 40 to 50 days max, yeah. And in VRC, I guess I have to start watching the VA videos. I've skipped them, only watched the RC ones, and I guess I have to watch the VA videos now. I was delaying it, but I have to watch it now. And in LRD, I have to solve all the sets. As of now, not all the sets, I mean the basics of the theory part of all the sets. What I'm doing was I was watching the theory part and solving, I guess, 10 to 20 sets of LRD, and then moving on to the next topic. But I guess it's high time I have to just watch the concept videos of those and then attempt it hand by hand, side by side. So yeah, what I did today was, I said arithmetic was completed, right, and I did 2 RCs, and now I will time my RCs. It's high time I will time my RCs right now. I will not take more than 8 to 10 minutes for per RC, no matter how difficult it might be. And in LRD also I should time myself. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.